Hey guys, welcome to Cook Step by Step. Today we're baking a whole trout. They already cleaned it for me at the store, so nothing to do with that. I just have it in a glass bowl and I put some oil on the bottom so it doesn't stick to it. I'm just gonna open it like this because we're gonna stuff it with spices and some good stuff. 4 cloves of garlic, a big spoon of salt, parsley chopped, some lime, thyme. I love grounded thyme. And this spice I got from a Russian store. I am not sure what's it called, but they recommend it for fish. You can skip this part, it's not a big deal. So I just pour the salt over it, and I'm not using my hand because my hand is wet, so I don't want the salt sticking to it, but we'll rub it up all in, so not to worry. And then the thyme, and like I said, I'm gonna rub it up at the end, so not to worry that all the thyme is in one location. And of course, black pepper. I love the smell of fresh black pepper. And here is the spice that I got from a Russian store. I think it's like thyme and oregano. Not a big deal. You can skip it. So this way I just make sure that it gets everywhere. And I'm gonna place the garlics side by side, a little bit far from each other to make sure that it is everywhere. So place it all over there. And once it's gonna start cooking, it's gonna release all the delicious garlic juice. I added some rosemary, and now I'm gonna stuff it with the parsley. So stuff it real well. And then the garlic, the rest of the garlic, to the top. So the top can have that delicious garlic flavor too. And I'm gonna hide some limes in it, just like that. And I'm also gonna stuff it in. It looks so much prettier, doesn't it? And then just sprinkle over with salt and some pepper and the thyme. That way you get a little bit of flavor from outside as well. And this is just for the good looks. So here is the finished product. And now I will put some butter on top. This way, while it melts, it will go in it and make it softer. And I got a foil, and I'm just gonna try to cover it so it can steam. Steam for 30 minutes, and then take it off and then cook it. I'm cooking it at 375 for the first 40 minutes, and then I'm cranked it up to 400 at the last 10 minutes so I can be crispy on the outside. And look at those teeth. Oh my god, look at those teeth. Isn't that funny? We're not gonna eat that. I think some people use it for soups, so if you wanna make some broth, then there's a head. And look inside, it's pink and it's butter melting soft. It's so soft, it just melts in your mouth, and it has all the flavors perfectly salted from the inside and outside. It was just so delicious. My household ate it in one sitting. I love making this, and it's so quick and so cheap too. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Bon appetit!